Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create Shopify pop-ups for newsletter sign up. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Creating pop-ups is extremely important if you want to make your customers sign up to your different type of email newsletters or maybe the platform itself. So to create pop-up, you can install this amazing integration that I call you can see basically popped in, exit and email pop-ups. So you can use this to create any type of pop-ups, whether it is exit intent, whether you want newsletter sign up, whether you want a general sign up. And you can see we have a complete dashboard in here where you can create your this kind of pop-ups. You can see campaigns, automation, and you head over to pop-ups, and then you're gonna be simply selecting what type of pop-up that you need. I've already incorporated onto my site, and we can easily use that to incorporate onto our site. So it is gonna be showing the newsletter sign up. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.